Stop, seriously. If starting in affiliate marketing feels harder than it should be, it's because you're doing it the hard way. Let me tell you something most beginners never hear. You don't need to spend hours scrolling for the perfect product. You don't need to copy every guru who sounds like they just filmed their entire course in an entire day. And you definitely don't need to post once and pray the universe send you $500 a day. Woohoo! There's an easier path, the one people actually use to get results. And here it is. Step 1. Pick one small problem people deal with every day. Not life-changing or not dramatic, just something that real people care about. Step 2. Make a simple video showing the solution. Not perfect, not fancy, just hopeful. Step 3. Recommend one product that actually solves the problem. That's it. Problem, solution, recommendation. The mistake beginners make is thinking affiliate marketing is overcomplicated, and it's not. It's simple. If you stop overthinking it, and as always, this is Scott. Peace and progress.